On June 1st, 2025, officers were dispatched to a residence following reports that a woman had violated a protection order by stalking her neighbors, trespassing on their property, and recording without permission.
So what's going on?
So we got a anti-harassment order.
Okay.
And it states right in there, no videoing or surveillance. You looked at it.
Yeah, I was thumbing through it on my way over here.
So she comes down. She got this path there behind you. See?
Yeah, she said she was trying to walk down. I don't know if is that lake access or something.
Kinda, but it gets so brushy she can't go to the water.
Okay.
But yeah. So I noticed my dogs are barking, so I go down to pick them up, and she's standing there videoing me. And she just went to court and got in trouble for this like a week ago.
Last week, she was just found guilty by a jury in Lakewood Court.
Okay.
She just doesn't stop.
So yeah, so today, so she said, just from the half second that I was standing over there, she said she was using the trail. The dogs, you got a couple dogs or something?
Yeah, she had her dogs with her too.
She brought dogs down because she knows it makes ours react at the fence.
Oh, what's the fence in discretion?
Yeah, come on down.
I've never been here, so that's why I'm like, so she said she was walking. She said she thought you were filming her or something, and then she put her phone. I don't know if she thought that it was maybe like I'm trying to protect my image or something. So she said she held it up because she thought you were filming her, and then that's why she said it almost came off to me as like a defense thing. But she said she wasn't recording anything. She said she did that as for whatever. You know, people kind of do that. People start recording each other or whatever. That's what I got from her
Lakewood
side.
PD is quite familiar with her.
Yeah, I know we come out here. I haven't been out here personally.
I didn't bother filming her down there. I just picked up my dog and said, "You're not filming me again, are you?" Because she just got in trouble for it.
What did she say?
She didn't say a word.
Okay. And that's kind of what she said. She said she wasn't trying. She said that she was. I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to blah blah blah. Which is kind of good.
Because she got in trouble for that too.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to talk to us. So anyway.
So this started. She started this last night, but we gave her grace. We didn't call. We have her on camera, videoing our yard, videoing my husband sitting in his chair, and we're like, oh, here we go. She was 40 minutes on this lane last night. We just let it go because it was like 9 o'clock at night.
Mm-hmm.
Well, then now this morning she's just right back at it. So it's like, okay, that's enough.
Okay.
She held that. He's got it on his video. She was point out, got her phone up and videoing. Just same thing she just was at court for on the 21st.
And that was this morning or this was last night?
Yes, both.
Both?
Both.
I got her on. I filmed her recording me
Right
this
here in
morning.
our backyard.
Just like half an hour ago.
Okay. Has she always been like, I mean, what's her kind of deal? Why'd you guys
This
get
is
that?
our second anti-harassment order we've had to get against her at the advice of multiple Lakewood police officers, attorneys, adult protective services. It's really sad situation, but she just doesn't seem to stop her.
Does she have a
to learn.
mental thing or?
I'm not a mental health professional, but whatever dispatch we've heard on this that they think she has, but yet the court and attorneys say she knows full well what she's doing, and so does a handful of your officers have said the same thing. So we're just neighbors trying to live our life quietly, and she just won't let it.
Yeah.
And she's not gonna until we figured she would suffer, once she...
Just the wire one.
Yeah, you want to see where it
You want to come
happened?
down?
Yeah.
So I heard my dog barking, so I come down here to see what he's barking about. We got a baby crow running around that fell out of the nest that can't fly yet. So making sure it wasn't him. And there she was, standing down here. Right about here, I go pick my dog up, and she's standing like, right there, just with her camera out.
So the dogs were barking right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have, like, I guess security footage of whatever?
I got it on my phone.
Yeah.
And security camera footage too.
This one, the allegation today that she was making that it sounded like today was reactionary.
So I didn't film nothing here, but up there she's doing the same thing.
Do you have like residential? We got camera here.
It didn't pick it up apparently. But
Picked up
there she
last
is in the
night's.
purple. I noticed her up there, just standing there, so I walk up and see what she's doing. And there you can see she's got her phone out.
And you don't have anything from last night, though?
From last night?
Just security, surveillance stuff. That's what I wanted to see that too. It'd make it a little bit more, as far as trying to like have a case.
I think she was intoxicated last night, perhaps. Saturday night. Oh, don't pause. There, she's got her camera up right now and she's filming.
31st.
She's leaning over to see where my husband's sitting in a chair over here in the yard. We're triggering it, sorry.
Yeah, you're good. What's the time on this? Is this the timer here at 8:30?
Yeah, last night, yes. She came down at 8:21 and it ended about 9 o'clock. About 40 minutes this went on.
She had her phone out. Can I just
You're a lefty too.
Yeah.
Southpaw. What are you doing?
So I just want to see her kind of like doing this thing with the phone. This is last night.
I don't know if you're familiar with this whole mess here, but
Yeah, I tried to serve the order a couple times.
she just was found guilty last week in a jury trial here in Lakewood Municipal Court for doing the same thing. When we were on Bart's, we were over at Bart and Barb Dalton's. She came out on her back step, same thing, and the jury found her guilty. We thought finally she's going to learn a lesson and she'll leave us alone. Nope.
She said something about your dogs were running at her, and then you lifted up your phone, started filming her. So she picked up her phone and started
Picked
filming.
up my dog, and then she's sitting there like from media away filming me. So I say, well, you're not videoing me again, are you? Because she just got in trouble for this last week. And she walks off, fine. And then she's up there by the garbage cans.
And then she stopped.
She stops and comes back here and starts videoing again. So I walk up there to see what she's doing, and I got her on video with her phone pointed at me, videoing me.
So we have a camera on our garbage can lid up there.
Pointed towards us, not
and
towards
we
her.
put it there because Sergeant Fraser said you should have a camera here because in, what month was that where she blocked the driveway? January?
That was like last year.
She lined her vehicles up and blocked our driveway, and it was a big deal for about an hour. The sergeant had to come there and tow her vehicles. Anyway, so he suggested because we didn't get any of it on video, so he said to put one there. So we had one there, and then like 2 weeks ago, we have no footage, but she can come behind our garbage cans. Anyway, something flipped the garbage can lid up, and our camera went flying and was knocked down, but we don't
Okay.
have any proof of who or what or how.
Yeah.
So anyway, and this went on last night for 40 minutes, and we didn't call. We just gave her grace, thinking, she'll go to bed soon, or if we don't react, she'll go away and leave us alone. But it's commenced again today, so it's like, all right, that's enough. It's time to call you guys and put a stop to this.
Yeah.
That's why we got a protection order, so that you guys could do something. That's
Yeah. I don't know, I think I told her protection orders with neighbors is very strange, right? I don't, to be honest with you, I don't know. But you guys are looking for like the kind of the surveillance portion of it. Is that what
it's
you're looking
clearly
at hitting
checked.
on?
Yeah, I
and
just
the court, the last
looked it
time,
up.
George, I don't know if you reviewed the order, but she hand wrote all the stuff.
Yeah.
The Superior, this was Superior Court too, not District Court. We were in Superior Court for this order.
Yeah, it's under
not in depth. But
stalking behavior.
yeah, and surveillance, not supposed to be doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll send it to Muni Court because this last case was at Muni Court too. I'll write it and I'll write up the violation, but I'll write it and then I'll kind of hit last night as far as what last night she was recording the property and stuff, and then we'll see. We'll probably get something in the mail from the prosecutor if they decide to.
Have you guys ever tried to sit down with like a mediator or pastor?
I
or
have
just bury the
I have
hatchet?
reached out to the pastors. I've met with them, and I said we are more than willing. We just want peace.
Yeah.
And so the pastors reached out to her, and she told them, nope, it's too late. I can't drop anything.
Really,
What
I mean,
do you have a number, a CAD number for me?
Yeah, let me. My car's up here. I'll walk up here. I'm gonna chat with her. I just want to press her about last night, and then I'll I'll bring you down a card.
What happened? Just so you know, body camera's running.
Yeah, I have a trail down there.
Yeah.
I took a walk with my dogs.
Yeah.
Suddenly, four dogs came to my fence
Yeah.
and started barking at me loudly.
Uh-huh.
Then Jake comes down there with his camera.
Uh-huh.
So I just put up my phone like that. I didn't record him. You know, I didn't say anything to him.
Yeah.
You know, that's my property. I have every right to use it. They have multiple cameras on it, stalking my movement. They actually requested that I, on their original petition, that I stay 1,000 feet away from them.
Yeah.
What kind of people would do that? What kind of neighbors do that kind of crap?
Yeah.
And I'm, telling you what it is, so they'll get this recording and listen to it.
The woman was charged with stalking and ordered to pay a $5,000 fine.